back to our English classes. Hope you are doing well. As you have studied noun and the types of noun in your previous classes, now today we will study about countable and uncountable noun. Noun can be either countable or uncountable. Countable, as the name suggests, means we can count the things. Noun is a what? What is a noun? Noun is a name of a place, person or thing. So anything which we can count is your countable noun. It can be counted using numbers. It has both singular and plural form. So ball is your, one ball is here, it is your singular form, and the plural form is 1, 2, 3 balls are here. Okay, the plural form is balls. You can count it with the numbers like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. One kite is there. Again, the plural form is kites. Okay, you can count the kites also in the sky. So it is called your. So come to uncountable noun. As the name suggested, we cannot count it using numbers. It does not have plural form. Example is snow, sugar, jam, milk. So children, can you count the grains of sugar? We can count it in kg, but we cannot count the grains of the sugar. So it is your uncountable noun here. So children, as we discussed, noun can be either countable or uncountable. Let's start with countable noun. It can be counted using numbers like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. It has both singular and plural form. Since it is countable, it has both singular and plural form like 1 chair, 2 chairs, 1 pen, 2 pens. We use a or an before singular countable noun. We add s, es or ies to the plural form of countable noun. Now take a look. Singular to plural, a ball, 3 balls, a kite, 5 kites, a butterfly, 2 butterflies. So you must be aware of this. Sometimes we also use some, many, a few, any and a lot of with countable noun when we don't know the exact quantity. Like there were a few apples on the tree. You know, apple is countable, but we don't know how many apples are there on the tree because it is difficult to count. So we can use few apples or many apples. Similarly, we have some biscuits in the tin box. There are a lot of books in the library. There are many shells on the seesaw. There aren't any shoes on the rack. Now, uncountable noun. It cannot be counted using numbers. It does not have plural form. We don't use a or an before singular uncountable noun like honey, sugar, paint. We use other countable noun to measure uncountable noun. A jar of honey, a bowl of sugar, a can of paint. Honey is uncountable, but jar is countable noun. So, to quantify the uncountable noun honey, we have used a countable noun jar over here. So, the jar, bowl, can, all these are countable noun used to measure the quantity of uncountable noun. In case of plural, we write it as a jar of honey, 2 jars of honey, a bowl of sugar, 2, 3 bowls of sugar, a can of paint, 4 cans of paint, a slice of bread, 2 slices of bread. We also use much, a little, a lot, of, some and any with uncountable noun to show the quantity. Like, give me some cheese please. Cheese is here uncountable noun. There is no more water in the pond. Rita had a lot of juice last evening. We played a little music at the party. Is there any rice left? So children, I hope you have understood the chapter. There is an assignment. Make a list, at least 15, of countable and uncountable noun. Thank you.